Alright guys, back in the 90s I was a very modified car. Alright, that's the only BoJack reference for this whole video. The rest of it sucks. This is a 98 Honda Civic 4-door with shaved rear door handles. It has Miata front door handles. Check that out. Functioning, they're locked, but functioning Miata door handles. Has a RSX front end on it. Fenders, some weird fiberglass hood. It's not terrible. Bumper, one headlight. This is a full fiberglass front end on this car. It's falling apart. As I mentioned, Miata door handles, shaved rears. I said it's some type of, I think it said Lexus style trunk lid on it with the stupid sideways tag. Check out that bumper. That's interesting, to say the least. Had a ground effects kit on it with some type of like air things down there. If the outside was this customized, I can only imagine how customized the inside was. I saw it roll up and I was like, that's freaking crazy. But all the interior's been ripped out. So, shaved rears, Miata door handles, RSX front end, some type of Lexus style trunk lid. And check this out. They molded the bumper to the body so it's seamless, but it started busting. I bet they had a lot of money tied up in this car. One time, see, this side broke, and the Bondo or whatever the filler was they used is coming out. Look how thick it was. I bet you it was, that looks like a piece of rubber. Like, I bet you there's like a rubber insert you hammered in there and then you Bondoed over it or something. This is the product of Fast and Furious. Ooh. Gotta go wash my hands now. Alright guys, thanks for watching.